shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you were the crocodile, which one will you eat? Are you going to eat this one or you're going to eat this one? If you want the bigger one, you will definitely take 5 and leave the 3 because 5 is bigger than what? 3. There are instances it may not work that way, and I'll teach you. But in the meantime, when all the parts are the same, when you count and you get the same, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just choose the bigger number on top here and let the crocodile eat it. That's all. So in this case, you realize that 3 over 5 is lesser than 5 over 5. I taught you lesser than and then greater than. It is lesser than what? 5 over 5. Now let's continue. Okay, very good. The same way, yes, I was talking to you about pizza. This is a very nice pizza. Now 6 over 8 as against 7 over 8. Now let's look at the one that has a lot of pizza. Look at this one. How many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The person took just one out of it. One piece of the pizza out of it. This one, a person took 2 pieces of pizza out of it. So you realize that 6 over 8 is lesser than 7 over 8. As simple as that. If you don't draw it this way, you may not be able to identify it. Okay, now let's look at instances where we have equal sign or where the two fractions are the same. When the two fractions are the same, you know, sometimes you may not be able to use your eye to see because you realize that this one, 1 over 2 as against 2 over 4. This one, the denominators are not the same. It has not been divided with the same number. But let's draw it and see. This is a round orange, another round orange of the same size. And then you took a knife, you cut it into 2. This one, you took a knife, you cut it into 4. Now you realize that when you took 2 of the part that you cut here, and then this one, when you took just one part of it, you realize that it is the same as the 2 you took from this part. So therefore, 1 over 2 is the same as 2 over 4. Because when you take 2 of this and you add it together, you get the same portion as you took from this place. So 1 over 2 is the same as 2 over 4. I hope this one should be easy for you to understand. It's very clear. Look at the picture. It's very clear. Okay. Now, these are examples of fractions that are also equal. 2 over 2 and 4 over 4. They are all the same because you have one big orange. You divided it into 2 and then you took all the 2. This one you had 4. You divided it into 4. You took all the 4. So it's the same thing. You've taken all of this. You have taken all of this. So it's the same thing. So 2 over 2 is equal to 4 over 4. Now let's come to this part. How many have been divided? Or how many are the sections or the parts? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's count this one. 1, 2. And then you told me that, said Daniel, you told me that when the bigger number is here, the crocodile must face it. Now look at it. When you look at it this way, when you look at the number just like that, you may be deceived. But when you draw and divide it, you realize that they are all the same. Look at this portion. The yellow portion, that is the shaded portion.